First off, let's talk about its amazing automatic bag loading feature. No more manual work for putting bags in place. Thanks to advanced sensors and a precise mechanical system, it can pick up empty bags from the storage area and position them just right for packaging. This saves labor, speeds things up, and ensures accurate bag placement every single time. Another highlight is its ability to effectively remove excess gas from the materials. You know, often there's air trapped in products during packaging. But our machine has a special gas extraction mechanism. It uses gentle suction and ventilation to thoroughly get rid of that extra gas, making the packaged items more compact and stable. This optimizes packaging space, makes the products look better, and even extends their shelf life. All in all, our fully automatic packaging machine with these great features is the perfect choice for streamlining packaging operations and boosting efficiency. It's here to help your business succeed in packaging.